In this video, we're going to focus on the text stroke color and specifically as well the text stroke width, since these two are very close to each other. And this is really specifically focused for the options for the Chart.JS plugin data labels. Because basically what you can do with the text stroke or the text stroke options is to give here the data labels like a double effect or like a shadow effect or a nice line around the fonts here. So let's start and explore this first. First of all, what I want to do here is I want to reset this or convert this back into text instead of just showing the percentages. So we go here to the formatter and I'm going to remove these double lines here. And then I'm going to hide this one here. So if we save this and refresh, you can see now we have text and we have some numbers here. Perfect. So what I want to do now is I want to go to the options here. And specific here, the text stroke color, we're going to add up a color style. So you can see a style, it's a color setup. So we're going to get the text stroke color. And in the listener, you can see here the curly braces here, put it in here, a comma, we put a comma there, and then we add up this one here. And then in here, we can say a color. And then green is a perfect color. Oh, sorry, not color, but green is a perfect color to use. So if we save this now, go back here and refresh, you will see nothing happens. And the reason why nothing happens is simply this. We don't have any text stroke width set up. The text stroke width is set on 0. As you can see here, the number set on 0. This means that it doesn't show anything at all. So let's copy this one as well. Put a comma here, put this in here, and then we say here a 2 pixel. Save this. Go back here and refresh, and now you can see we get this nice green thick color around here, which is alright. You can use this because this is more purely for aesthetics, so you can use this. Does it look very nice? It depends how you will use it. There are some very fancy ways to use this, and I might go in for another video for that in detail, but with this is decent, nothing fancy to be honest. However, this is one of the options. Thank you for watching this video and I hope you enjoy it. And if you enjoy this video, you probably will enjoy this one as well. And if you're interested in Chart.js, check out in the description box the link directing to my Chart.js course where you can learn everything about Chart.js. And finally, of course, make sure you subscribe to my channel.